Best jar of jam wedding favors of all time. Mason jar wedding favors are popular for a reason. They come in many sizes, they're simple and reasonable to DIY. And there are so many ways you can customize and make them a significant piece of your wedding. All you need is some motivation. Here is a rundown of wedding favor thoughts you might need to provide for your visitors on your monumental day. 1 Cake in a jar. These adorable mini mason jar cake wedding favors are a sweet way to end your big day. Add a wooden spoon, some twine and a personalized tag or label to match your wedding theme. 2 Sweet tea wedding favor. We love the simplicity of these sweet tea mason jar wedding favors. Just fill your jars with a lemon, a tea bag and some sugar cubes. 3 Homemade candle wedding favor. These DIY candles are easy to make and you can personalize it in so many ways, with your favor scent, a tag and wedding label. 4 Rosemary sea salt wedding favors. Seasoned sea salt makes a fitting choice for a seaside wedding. Complete it with your own personalized sea salt wedding favor stickers. 5 Cookie mix in a jar wedding favors. These cookie mix in a jar favors are not only pretty to look at, they're also easy to DIY. Just fill them up with one of your favorite cookie mixes. Add a custom tag with instructions, a personalized jar lid label with your names and wedding date, and tie everything together with some baker's twine. 6 Moonshine wedding favors. If you're having a southern wedding, you can't go wrong with some moonshine shots as your wedding favors. 7 Hot chocolate wedding favors. Your guests will appreciate this sweet treat. Simply place individual servings of hot chocolate mixed with mini marshmallow into little spice jars. 8 Loose leaf tea blend favors. Fill these mini jars with your favorite tea blend. Add dried lavender to make it extra special. A personalized wedding tag and tea favor labels complete the stylish presentation. 9 Trail mix mason jar wedding favors. Is your wedding venue set in a mountain lodge? Your guests will appreciate these trail mix wedding favors to refuel themselves after the festivities. 10 Mixed nuts wedding favor. What better way to declare your nuts about each other than giving out some mixed nuts as your wedding favors? Top them off with these rustic wedding favor labels. 11 S'mores in a jar wedding favor. Let your guests a s'mores kit home so they can make their own s'mores. Customize it with your favorite chocolate bar, plain or flavored marshmallow and graham crackers. Top off your mason jar with a s'more love label. 12 Succulent wedding favors. A gift that keeps on growing, these succulent wedding favors are perfect for a rustic themed wedding. 13 Local jam wedding favors. Whether you make your own jam or buy it from a local jam maker, your guests will appreciate taking these pretty jam favors home with them. Add a jam favor label and a custom initials oval label to complete the rustic look. 14 Baked cookies wedding favors. Everyone loves cookies, especially cookies that have been baked and beautifully wrapped up in a mason jar. We love the nautical themed rope to wrap around the jar. May we suggest adding a personalized anchor wedding label to complete your nautical themed wedding. 15 Popcorn wedding favors. Thank your guests for popping by with DIY popcorn wedding favors. Personalize the jars with custom popcorn wedding favor stickers. 16 Something pickled wedding favors. Send your guests home with a jar of homemade pickles. Add some twine and a personalized tag or label to match your wedding theme. 17 Flavored sugar wedding favors. Flavored sugar makes a beautiful wedding favor. Season yours with dried flowers, vanilla pods or cinnamon sticks. 18 Bloody Mary wedding favor. A night of drinking and dancing calls for a Bloody Mary the morning after. Give your guests a DIY Bloody Mary kit that contains everything they need to make their hangover cure.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.